In this video, we are going to be learning how to change view in Outlook. Changing view in Outlook helps you to customize how your mails is displayed on your screen. It also helps you to customize how your contacts or your calendar is being displayed for you on your screen. So let us learn how to change the view of our mails. To do that, go to the far left corner of your screen. You are going to find an icon indicating mail. You click on it. After doing that, at the top part of your screen, you are going to see view. Click on view. Below view, you are going to find view settings. Click on view settings. Yes, this brings you to the layout. Here you can customize how your text, your message, your rows and columns is displayed. We have focus inbox, text sizing and spacing, message organization. Your reading pane, message height, sender image, message list format, message preview, inline attachment preview, date headers, animations, and the likes. So all you need to do is read through and select which one suits your choice, and then you can change view in your mails. Additionally, we have the layout here and the density. For example, you click on cozy and we can see the effect on our screen. So, do you want to change the view of your mails? Do this and customize your mails to be displayed the exact way you would want it.